I'm going to drop the boat off the mooring. I'm going to go backwards, but I'm going to get to the back of the boat as quick as I can. Twisting the main sheet, cranking it in. Yeah, we've glided far enough downwind, so now we can go for a 3-point turn tack. So just cranking it up, got no dagger boards here at all, just cranking it up, come on, and right, we just need to crank it up a bit more. Perhaps if I get a better position, a bit of a lull. Is that enough to crank in a sheet, enough to get her into the wind? Yes, reversing the rudders, sheet out. So we've got the ultimate high wind tack, no dagger boards there.